It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 8th of August. I'm Michael Groff. A pretty typical monsoon weather pattern with us for the next 7 days or so. Some days being more active than others, like tomorrow, for example. We do expect an increase in the number of showers and storms, and even the potential of some heavy rain and local flooding. And with the increased moisture and rain chances around, temperatures should be held to near or below normal levels for most of the forecast period. All right, let's get into it here. Taking a look at the almanac from yesterday, 105 degrees the afternoon high, 88 was the morning low. The normal high is 105, the normal low 84. And looking outside right now at 11:45 a.m., a few clouds out there right now. We're sitting at 97 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 61, relative humidity 31%. The winds are light and the barometer is falling. As we check the upper air analysis, the overall weather pattern across the country is really stagnant, as is often the case here in the summertime, but we really have not seen much change at all here. High pressure continues to sit off to the north and east of us, an east to southeasterly flow, bringing in that monsoon moisture across the southwest. And we do see these occasional disturbances that come by, and they will enhance shower and thunderstorm coverage and intensity from time to time. Here's the watch warning map, and those excessive heat warnings and heat advisories return to the Pacific Northwest. Temperatures soaring up that way once again. But around here in the Southwest, things are fairly quiet, at least for now. The convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms around Detroit, over toward Binghamton, New York. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, thunderstorms possible. And while we don't anticipate organized severe weather, any one storm during the monsoon can become severe. And here's the precipitation outlook valid through Monday morning of next week. Rain amounts here in Phoenix between about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. And we could see some heavier totals up north over the higher terrain, eastern mountains, and down to the south. Rain amounts 1 to 2 inches, some spots even more. And whenever we show this graphic, I remind you, your amount will vary. Some places will get more than what's shown here. Some will get less. That is the nature of the monsoon. Like last night, out in the Northwest Valley around Surprise and down toward Litchfield Park, along the 60 and the 303, they had over an inch of rain in about 25 or 30 minutes. And meanwhile, just south of there, down in Avondale, here in Studio B, basically nothing, just a lot of lightning and wind. And that is the monsoon summed up right there. All right, let's talk about this weather pattern in more detail and see what the future may hold. To do that, we'll take a look at the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run, and this is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And it's the same old story. High pressure sits off to the north and east of us, a southeasterly flow aloft. So what it means for us down at the surface for the rest of the day today, partly cloudy, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms fire up over the higher terrain and move toward the lower deserts. But just like yesterday, we do have some convective inhibition in the mid-levels, a little bit of a capping inversion there. So thunderstorms as they approach us, probably going to die out as they get into the valley, but that doesn't mean that some of you won't see at least a chance at some rain and some gusty winds, blowing dust and some lightning. So do keep that in mind, but we're going to keep the chance of rain kind of limited today to around 20%. And that'll hold for tonight as well. High temperatures this afternoon, around 99 to 103. Tonight, partly cloudy, overnight lows in the upper 70s to mid 80s with that slight chance of storms continuing. And then tomorrow, partly sunny, and we see this inverted trough approaching us from the east, another one of these easterly waves. So showers and thunderstorms becoming more numerous in the afternoon over the higher terrain. They'll come toward the lower deserts by the afternoon hours. And I think we're going to start to break that capping inversion. So the chance of rain should start to increase by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night in Phoenix. We'll bump that up to about a 40% chance. And the primary threat, yes, we could still see some gusty winds and blowing dust. But with more moisture coming in, the overall threat kind of shifting more toward heavy rain and local flooding. And again, high temperatures tomorrow should be a little bit below average, upper 90s to about 103. On Wednesday, slight chance of showers and storms in the morning, and showers and storms could redevelop in the afternoon. Now, if Tuesday does turn out to be more active, Wednesday may be less so. We'll just have to see how this inverted trough progresses, but we'll still keep a decent chance of rain in our forecast, and high temperatures remaining below average, upper 90s to about 101. And really, it's the same sort of seesaw forecast as we go to Thursday. If Wednesday is less active, Thursday could be more so. And then evidence that things could get more active again by Friday as another disturbance is slated to come in here by our global models. A little bit more of a consistent message here, and this disturbance could be a bit more prominent as well. So we'll again bump that rain chance up to about the 40 or 50% bracket, and high temperatures mid-90s to around 100 or so for Friday and Saturday. The timing of this system is still a little bit up in the air, but the potential of, again, some enhanced shower and storm coverage looks to be there. And then Sunday, again, we'll continue with a monsoon forecast of scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms, and high temperatures remaining below average. Here's a week from today. This is Monday the 15th, and it is just more of the same. High pressure off to the north and east of us, an east-southeasterly flow aloft, more monsoon moisture around for, yeah, you guessed it, scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Now, as we look out toward the end of the period, this is Wednesday the 17th, and this run of the GFS varies from some of our previous model runs and suggesting that the ridge now shifts back toward the west and sits over Arizona, and that would tend to shut off the major threat for showers and storms. There could still be some isolated storms around, and the moisture really wouldn't necessarily be gone, but with high pressure overhead, sinking air, that subsidence, that would put a lid on thunderstorm activity. But this is 10 days out, and I assure you that this will change between now and then. But if this does verify, temperatures would warm up again and rain chances would go down. All right, as we take a look at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 22nd of August, coming off of the European ensemble. And the mean is just under 2 inches, so this denotes that active weather is slated to continue through mid-month. And temperatures off the national blend of models. And on most days, with more active weather around, high temperatures should remain at or below normal. We don't see any evidence of a major heat wave, those dreaded 110-degree plus temperatures coming back into the mix anytime soon, at least not for the next 7 days and maybe beyond that. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, suggestions. Music fans, check it out. Available 24/7, 365. My streaming station, your streaming station. It's everybody's streaming station. The thing you just can't get enough of. I'm talking about KMGX. We play a ton of music. Have a lot of fun doing that. Myself and the one and only Michelle are involved in the programming and operation of that station. So, of course, you're going to check it out. Of course, you're going to listen. So I leave a link to it in the description. All right, thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, it is so greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves an amazing rest of your Monday.